Okay, let's do this one last time. I've owned an LG G7 with an USB port problem for the past 7 months, and as you can see, yeah, I'm using a nasty decapitated wireless charger, and this is the other half of the body. But today, an end what put to all this misery. I ordered a USB replacement kit, some glues, and 2 cases in case I mess up. By the way, this is not a real gun, guys. The world has gone whale soft lately, and this is just to make the glue soft, like some people are. The battery is located in this section. I'm no thermoconduction expert, but if I were you, I'd avoid blowing it directly over it. Instead, do it on the sides. Start by hitting the sides and don't blow up the tiny hole just like I did. Do it slowly, you don't want to break the glass. By the way, pay the most attention to the upper right side because you'll find a lot of glue there. Remove the wireless charging coil, and man, if my smartphone didn't have this, I would be in great trouble because of the USB charging situation. And don't use the battery as a leverage like I just did there. You don't want to pull out in Note 7 out of this. This is the loudspeaker, which is run by a lot of small pieces of metal that are there for network purposes. The camera ribbon. Also, this ribbon also connects the battery to the motherboard. Remove it. Gently pry the side to remove the motherboard. At the bottom of this you will find thermal paste. Don't touch it. This is the microphone, if you didn't know, and you will need this piece of plastic in order to lock the USB port in place. Okay, everything is already back together. So like I said in the beginning of this video, this is not a how-to video. There are already videos about the LG G7 how to remove the port. There you're gonna put the left side of the speaker first. Also put back the wireless charging coil, and yeah, I think that there you're good to go. Okay, that's been it for today's video. Again, this wasn't a how-to video. My name is Kensley, and I will see you in the next real videos. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.